Welcome to the React Maps tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to add and customize marker clusters in the Syncfusion React Maps component. Let's start by adding code to show and customize markers in React Maps. First, I'll open an existing application where I have already added the React Maps component with basic properties. I have included a GeoJSON shape of the world map in the Maps layer. Here, I have added markers with the appropriate data source. To learn more about integrating the Maps component into a React application, please check the Getting Started video linked in the card above and the description below. Let me run this application using the npm start command to show the initial demo. Look here, the world map's geographic shape is rendered with markers that represent the top 25 cities with the highest populations. You can see the markers are overlapping each other. Include the cluster with a number to indicate how many markers are overlapped. To enable the marker clusters, add the markerClusterSettings object inside the layer directive tag, and enable the allowClustering property to show the clusters. Add the shape property with the type circle. Apart from this type, it also supports rectangle, cross, diamond, star, etc. Then set a custom height and width. Here you can see the map rendered with marker clusters in a circular shape. Clusters are formed by grouping markers from the surrounding area. Please note that the clusters will be removed when the map is zoomed. To expand the grouped markers, set the allowClusterExpand property to true within the map's markerClusterSettings. Now, when I click the marker circle, it expands the grouped markers on the map. Next, to customize marker clusters, use properties such as fill, dash array, opacity, offset, image URL, and more. Additionally, you can customize the border, connector line, and text. To customize a connector line, add the connector line settings property and set the color to orange and width to 3. By default, the connector line color is black and the width is 1. To customize the color of the cluster label, add the label style property and set the color to white. Also change the color of the marker cluster by adding the fill property and setting its color to blue. As you can see, the marker cluster color has been changed to blue and its label color to white. When you click the cluster, notice that the connector lines are displayed in custom color and width. Next, to add multiple marker groups to React Maps, first I copy and paste the existing marker directive tag. Here, I'm going to show the cities in India as a separate group with pentagons. So, I remove the objects related to Indian cities from the existing data source and create a new one with the removed objects. Then, I assign this new object to the data source property. I set the shape property to pentagon and set the custom height and width values. See the map displaying two groups of markers. Next, I will show you how to add a template to the markers. I want to show the Indian city names on the map. So, I add the template property to the marker directive tag. To add the text, I use a division element and the name field from this data source. Then, I define a few inline CSS styles like color and font size for the template. I comment out the shape, height, and width properties. Look at the map now. The cities Delhi, Kolkata, and Mumbai are shown in the React map. In this video, I have shown you how to add marker clusters to the Syncfusion React Maps component, change the marker shape, customize the marker cluster, add multiple marker groups, and apply a template to the marker. If you want to try out the example used in this video, download it from the GitHub link in the description below. I have also shared a link to learn about obtaining a free license key to use our React suite through our community license, if you are eligible. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.